love this bike. Here we go. And this thing is fast, dude. Fast. No grab my bike right here, baby. Coming up too. You always got to be looking at the floor because, you know, obviously you want to be safe. And as I came in here, look at this thing right here. So much dirt and whatever it is in here, like my front tire kind of like wiggles a little bit. And again, you got to be safe while you ride. But check this out. Little dirt right there. Good thing I noticed as I was coming in, that thing, it was like boom on the front. But anyways, let me give you a look at the bike. You guys seen it already. 2022 Road Glide Ultra Limited. This thing is beautiful. Love the color. Love everything about it. I tell you, I got about 2,900 miles as of right now. 2,920 miles. I got it with about 1,500 miles or 1,400 something. So I put, I don't know, 1,600 miles or 1,500 and something miles in it. I actually took it to Miami and I did, you know, from Palm Coast to Miami, it's about 4 hours and 4 hours back. I think it was about 700-mile trip. And I tell you, I freaking love it. Really, really do. Just add up this right here from Clockworks 15. I forgot the name of it, but there's two types. This is the one that I chose. And again, you see it's dirty because I've been riding a lot. And again, that winch is pretty awesome. The only thing that I have to say so far is that if you move the bars all the way in or all the way to that side, it's gonna hit this right here. So again, keep that in mind. Then again, I don't move the bars that much, but that's a thing that you got to keep in mind. So you really can move the bars all the way. I kind of show you right here. As I'm pushing the bars, you can see it's gonna touch it right there. So keep that in mind. Other than that, I love the bike. The only thing that I would say that I don't like is that when you start the bike up, and maybe this is something that some of you guys could tell me other than remember to put the volume down, but when you start the bike back up, the volume is up. So every single time I'm going to start it up, especially in the morning when I'm going to work, I got to remember to put the volume down, or you know, it's just going to make more noise and things like that. So again, coming out of work, the same thing. I turn the switch on and the radio is blasting, so I got to remember to put the radio down. But other than that, I tell you, I love everything about the bike. I love how the bike handles. I love how the bike move. This bike right here has cans. I don't know which ones, whoever had it or whoever built it with that. So it has a little bit more power than your basic 114. So again, it's not your stock 114, obviously, but again, I've been loving it. It has the 2-in-1 Bassani pipes. You can kind of see it right there. It has that going on. It has a detachable trunk, which, you know what? I don't really care about it because I'm going to leave the trunk on all the time. I kind of feel like if the trunk is not detachable, no one can steal it. like that, you kind of feel that somebody can take it, right? I got bars right here, fat 47, I believe, and I think there are 14, although I need to measure them again, but I think there are 14s, and a couple other things. You know, you see the lights right here, this extra lights, LEDs everywhere, which is really fantastic. A lot of lighting for sure. Obviously, I put this right now, just like I said. And the biggest news that I got going on for this bike right now is going to be a 132 from SNS that I got coming up for this motorcycle. So definitely stay tuned. I'm not going to record it or do like an instruction video or anything like that, but you guys going to be able to see the 132 on this bike. And again, I got all the stuff already. The only reason why we haven't done it is because I'm going to be going out of town next month, and I'm going to be taking the motorcycle with me. So I really don't want to put it on, and I just don't have the time for it. So it's coming up. Again, 132 from SNS is going to be really cool, and I'm really excited about that. A couple of the guys are like, why are you putting a 132, you know, waste of money or whatever, or you know, the bike is strong enough. And it definitely is. It's a great bike, it runs good, everything works fantastic. I'm doing the 132 because why not? That's it. Because I can, and I just want to try it out. So it's going to be really exciting to see the 132 in this motorcycle, and you know, I'm going to take you through the videos and all that. But I got to tell you, I said right now, I'm loving the bike, everything about it. So far, it has been a blessing, and I enjoy it very much. All right, let me know what you think, and as always, God is in control.